بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
إذا السماء انشقت
When the sky is rent asunder,
وأذنت لربها وحقت
and hearkens to the command of its Lord, doing what it should.
وإذا الأرض مدت
And when the earth is stretched out,
وألقت ما فيها وتخلت
and casts out what is within it, and is emptied,
وأذنت لربها وحقت
and hearkens to the command of its Lord, doing what it should.
يا أيها الإنسان إنك كادح إلى ربك كدحا فملاقيه.
O man, you are striving unto your Lord, and you will meet him.
فأما من أوتي كتابه بيمينه
Whoever is given the record in his right hand,
فسوف يحاسب حسابا يسيرا
shall be called to an easy accounting,
وينقلب إلى أهله مسرورا
and shall return to his people joyfully.
وأما من أوتي كتابه وراء ظهره
But he who is given the record behind his back
فسوف يدعو ثبورا
shall cry for perdition,
ويصلى سعيرا
and will enter the blazing fire.
إنه كان في أهله مسرورا
He used to live joyfully among his people,
إنه ظن أن لن يحور
thinking he would never revert to us.
بلى إن ربه كان به بصيرا.
But no, how would he not revert? His Lord was ever watching him.
فلا أقسم بالشفق
Nay, I swear by the twilight,
والليل وما وسق
and by the night, and what it enfolds,
والقمر إذا اتسق
and by the moon when it reaches its fullness.
لتركبن طبقا عن طبق
You shall proceed onwards from stage to stage.
فما لهم لا يؤمنون. So
what is the matter with them that they do not believe?
وإذا قرئ عليهم القرآن لا يسجدون.
And when the Quran is recited to them, they do not prostrate themselves.
بل الذين كفروا يكذبون.
Instead, the unbelievers rejected, calling it a lie.
والله أعلم بما يوعون.
Allah knows best what they are accumulating in their record.
فبشرهم بعذاب أليم.
So give them the good news of a painful chastisement.
إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون.
Except for those who believe and do good deeds, theirs shall be an unending reward.